Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talks, the podcast where we help you speak natural English for real-life situations. Today's topic is something we all experience, meeting someone for the very first time. How do you start the conversation? What do you say after hi? And how can you sound friendly and confident? Let's listen to a short story between Emma and Jack and learn how to make a great first impression.
Oh, excuse me, are you waiting in line?
Yeah, I am. Don't worry, you're ahead of me.
Oh, thank you. I always get confused here. The line goes in circles.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky. I'm Jack, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend. I love their coffee. What about you?
It's actually my first time here. My friend told me this cafe has the best cappuccino in town.
Oh, your friend is right. You should also try their blueberry muffin. It's amazing.
I'll remember that. So, do you live nearby?
Yes, just around the corner. I walk here every morning before work.
That sounds nice. I just moved to this area last week. Still getting used to everything.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. You'll love it here. People are really friendly.
Thanks. Maybe you can recommend a few good places around.
Sure. There's a nice park nearby and a small bookstore that's perfect for weekends.
That sounds great. I'm a big fan of quiet places.
Me too. Maybe next time we can grab a coffee and visit the park.
That would be great.
And that's how a simple hello can turn into a friendly conversation. When you meet someone for the first time, remember, it's not about saying big words. It's about being kind, curious, and confident. Nice to meet you. Polite and friendly introduction. Do you come here often? A simple question to continue the talk. You should try a natural way to give a suggestion. Maybe next time we can a soft way to suggest meeting again. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm Jack. Use your name. Nice to meet you. Is this your first time here? What do you recommend? You'll love it here.
Great job! Keep practicing these short lines. They'll make you sound confident and natural when meeting someone new.
Great job! Keep practicing these short lines. They'll make you sound confident and natural when meeting someone new. That's all for today's episode of Daily English Talks. If you enjoyed this conversation, follow the podcast and share it with a friend. Remember, every great friendship starts with one simple hello. See you in the next episode.
Don't forget to subscribe